Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the Geekbenchmark 5 test comparison between the OnePlus 8T versus Realme GT Neo 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. So the OnePlus 8T has got the Snapdragon 865 chipset and the iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see how much difference can it be there between the Snapdragon 865 and the Snapdragon 870 processors. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So I do have this OnePlus 8T, so I'll try to do the RAM management test comparison as much as possible with other phones. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details about this smartphone. So right now I did clear everything from the background, so there is no application running in the background. RAM management, as you can clearly see friends, nothing is running. Now let me need to open the Geekbenchmark 5 test application. So right now I did open the Geekbenchmark 5 and there is no high performance mode, there is no game boosters, nothing at all enabled. So during this process of demonstration, so right now let's see how much the Geekbenchmark score we can actually expect between this all of these three devices. Now let me need to start at same time 1, 2 and 3. I did not start at same time 1, 2 and 3. Yes. So I did start at same time friends, all the three smartphones. So we should be able to see the results. Let's see which phone will be able to finish the test first and how much difference it can be there, single core and the multi-core. So these are the few things which I'll definitely concentrate in this kind of testing, and let me know in the comment section below. So with what phones you want me to do the speed test comparison. So because we do have the OnePlus 8T, so with the Snapdragon 865 processor, so I can definitely do the comparisons. So let me know in the comment section below friends. So right now it's off 23-27%. All the three smartphones are exactly 8GB and 128GB RAM models, so variants, internal storage as well. So 86% in the iQOO 7 device, 83% in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 81% in the OnePlus Nord 2. So these are the sequence of finishing the results. So 100% is the iQOO 7 phone was able to finish first. So we should be able to see the results. As you can see, first phone to finish the iQOO 7 device. So next in the race is the Realme GT Neo 2. So which should be able to finish at this point, and let's see what will be the score at this level. Because before it did not cross 3000, but right now it did cross the 3023. So not bad. So very close to iQOO 7 device, but iQOO 7 has got really high scores. That's kind of wow. That's very good to see. As you can see, friends, shocking results with the multi-core. 3115. That's multi-core result in the OnePlus 8T, which has got the highest. So more than the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the multi-core results. You can clearly see what is happening. And the single core is 893. Single core is slightly less when compared with other phones. You can see not bad, but the multi-core is quite shocking. So which gives the OnePlus 8T second position in the one multi-core results, and the iQOO 7 has got consistent results with the highest every time in the multi-core results. Even if you take a look at the history as well, every time 3300 is the minimum. That's kind of a benchmark for the iQOO 7 device. So you can see all the results whatever I did previously. And in the Realme GT Neo 2, so previously I did get slightly kind of low scores. So it's kind of little bit kind of increasing like a stock market. I'm not sure why it's increasing, but slightly you can see on the multi-core it's kind of increasing. Still I did not receive any kind of update. So there is one update which is supposed to come, but still I did not get it because Realme, they will not send for all the users at once. They'll try to send it batch wise. So I might get maybe after 3 days or 5 days or 1 week or 10 days, but I'm not sure exactly when. So I need to check after that. So it requires maybe optimization certain time. The OnePlus 8T, this is a kind of score which I got. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.